Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Globe. At the time of production, Crypto.com price was at $0.6083 and has a market cap of over $15 billion, making it the 14th largest crypto in the world by market cap. Crypto.com, CRO, is currently up by 8.2% in the last 24 hours. Today in this video we're going to go through some of the latest information on Crypto.com and how the results of this information may be pushing the coin to a new all-time high. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video so that you don't miss out. Before we get going though, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our new videos. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So what is the CRO token and why is it on the rise? Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange with over 10 million users worldwide. CRO is its token, which customers can use to get discounted trading prices and qualify for better rewards. CRO is available from some top cryptocurrency apps and exchanges, such as Coinbase and, unsurprisingly, Crypto.com. But several exchanges don't list the native tokens of other platforms, so CRO isn't as easy to buy as other popular cryptocurrencies. CRO is the native cryptocurrency, technically a crypto token, of Crypto.com chain, a blockchain developed by Crypto.com. The main use of the token is to allow you to pay for real-life things with your crypto by converting your crypto into fiat currency, like pound sterling and US dollars, in real time. Crypto.com also partners with companies to make sure as many places as possible can take the payments, most notably Visa. Originally it was built using Ethereum's blockchain, and it was called MCO, while Crypto.com was called Monaco. But they rebranded and converted the token into CRO, as it's known today. What's driving the price rise? So first is the Staples Center will soon be renamed the Crypto.com Arena. Crypto.com grabbed headlines on November 17 with news the company had bought the naming rights to the Staples Center. From Christmas Day, the iconic sports and entertainment venue will be renamed the Crypto.com Arena. Press reports suggest the 20-year deal cost $700 million. It will also make Crypto.com an official partner of the Los Angeles Lakers and the LA Kings, both of which call the Staples Center home. Crypto.com already has a string of sports partnerships, including Formula One, the NBA's Philadelphia 76ers, the NHL's Montreal Canadiens, and some European soccer teams. The second is Matt Damon is the face of its new ad campaign. At the end of October, Crypto.com launched a global advertising campaign featuring Oscar-winning actor Matt Damon. The commercial, entitled "Fortune Favors the Brave," is themed around what human beings have achieved throughout history by daring to pursue their dreams. The launch of the campaign on October 28 marked the start of a steady price rise for CRO. If you're a Crypto.com user, owning and staking CRO can have benefits. Staking is when you tie your coins up on a platform to earn rewards. CRO holders can earn better spending rewards on their Crypto.com Visa debit cards, better interest rates on the Crypto.com earning product, and reduced trading fees. Is the value of CRO likely to go up? It's hard to say if the value is likely to go up and up and up. But the coin clearly has a lot of uses and is making a point of being a mainstream sponsor across sports, so more people will hear about it, which could lead to an increase in value. But there could be a glitch in their system. The government could try and crack down on taxes, because people can very easily avoid them with crypto, or Elon Musk could tweet something, who knows. In short, anything is possible when it comes to emerging cryptocurrencies. But again, we can't give financial advice, so always err on the side of caution when it comes to investing your money. So there's a little primer on CRO and Crypto.com, a token native to a blockchain, and a company that are basically doing a whole load of things within the crypto universe. However, if you are buying CRO purely as an investment, here are a few things to consider. Be cautious when buying a coin that just hit an all-time high. The cryptocurrency market is rife with speculation, which can often push a coin's value to unsustainable levels. CRO may continue to rise, or it may stabilize around this price point. But it could also fall next week. If you're buying in the hope of another 180% gain in 30 days, you might want to think again. Research the coin carefully to understand its long-term potential. Look at the management team, what problem the coin solves, how many people might want to use it, and understand how the token works. Look at Crypto.com's competitors and understand each one's strengths and weaknesses. Before October, the Crypto.com coin had not performed as well as other exchange tokens. To give you an idea, between January 1 and September 30, CRO rose 156%. FTX's token, FTT, was up 766%, and Binance token, BNB, was up 884% for the same period. That could mean CRO still has room to grow, but it's important to understand what held it back before, and how it might stand out from the competition in the future. Be aware of the potential impact of upcoming regulation. Stricter cryptocurrency regulation in the US is now inevitable, but it isn't clear what form it will take. It looks likely that cryptocurrency exchanges and the decentralized finance industry will be impacted, especially if they have to follow stricter bank-like rules. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Before you invest any money in Crypto.com's coin, make sure your emergency fund is topped up and you're good on your retirement savings. Cryptocurrency investments can be highly volatile and risky, so it's important to first cover your other financial bases and to only invest with money you can live without. That way, if CRO's price falls dramatically, it will be disappointing, but it won't impact your overall financial situation too much. As an investor, it can be challenging to evaluate what is a pretty new and untested market. Like many cryptocurrencies, exchange tokens like CRO have posted significant gains this year. That's prompted many experts to warn this is a bubble that may soon burst. Others predict that it is only the beginning. Ultimately, only you know your investment strategy and your tolerance for risk. But a long-term buy and hold approach can certainly help navigate the often choppy crypto waters. A 5 or even 10-year outlook on your investments makes it easier to avoid short-term speculation and ride out market fluctuations. It also encourages you to spend time picking the tokens that you believe will perform well long-term. I am not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for educational purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what I say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks, and you could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and I am in no way liable for any losses incurred. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching till the end. Good luck and happy investing.